Hi students, good afternoon students. Today our class is functions. Okay, PYQs 2025 January session problems with solutions. Okay, listen carefully. This is Somaraj, Diamond Institute of Maths. Okay, what is the problem? Problem number 1. Let f maps R2 be twice differentiable functions such that f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y for all x comma y belongs to R if f dash of 0 is equal to 4a and f is satisfied f double dash of x is f double dash of x minus 3a into f dash of x minus f of x equal to 0, a greater than 0, then the area of the region R set of x comma y such than r equal to ax and 0 x less than 2 is what is the area? Okay, find the area of this one. Okay, what is the functional equation? Given functional equation equal to, here write it, given functional equation equal to f of x plus y equal to f of x into f of y. What is the functional equation? This one equal to, what is f of x? f of x is equal to e power kx. F of x equal to e power kx. That is the functional equation. Okay, functional equation. This is the f of x is equal to this one. Okay, respect to x, here write this one, f of x equal to e power kx. Okay, differentiation with respect to x equal to f dash of x is equal to e power kx x kx derivative equal to k, kx derivative equal to, right, observe f dash of 0 equal to what? F dash of 0 equal to x plus equal to 0 means k into e power k is equal to 0, e power j k is equal to 0 means 1 equal to k. Okay, here f dash of 0 value equal to k, f dash of 0 is equal to k. Okay, f dash of 0 is equal to k. Here f dash of 0 value equal to what? Here f dash of 0 is equal to 4a. Okay, here k is equal to 4a, k is equal to 4a. This is the k is equal to 4a means what is the f of x? Here k is equal to 4a means this is the f of x is equal to e power 4ax. This is the f of x, e power 4ax. Okay, f of x, this is the f of x. Okay, this is the f dash of x. Next f double dash of x right here. F dash of x is equal to e power 4ax and 4ax derivative equal to 4a. Okay, this is the f dash of x. Next f double dash of x. Okay, double derivative equal to, right, as this is the 4a only, e power 4ax. Next 4ax derivative is equal to 4a means this is into 4a means 16a square. Here right, 16a square. Okay, this is the equation, is the satisfying the equation f double dash of x minus 3a into f dash of x minus f of x. Okay, right here f double dash of x is equal to 16a square e power 4ax minus 3 into 3a into f dash of x. What is the f dash of x is equal to 4a into e power 4ax. Okay, next another one equal to, what is the another one here? F of x. What is the f of x is equal to e power 4ax. This is the minus e power 4ax. Okay, e power 4ax equal to 0. This is equal to 0. Right. So here e power 4ax is equal to t right here. E power 4ax equal to t. Okay, e power 4ax equal to t means here 16a square t. Next minus 3 into 4. Okay, 3 into 4 means 12 a square. This is also t means here t. Next here this is also t equal to 0. E power 4ax is equal to t. Here as a square means here 4a square t minus t equal to 0. 4a square t minus t equal to 0. E power 4ax. It also cancel, equal to 4a square equal to 1 and a square is equal to what? A square is equal to 1 by 4. And what is the a value? A is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. Plus or minus 1 by 2. What is the given that here? A value greater than 0. A value is greater than 0. A is greater than 0 means a is equal to what? A is equal to 1 by 2. A is equal to 1 by 2. Asking the question, area of the shader, area of the region, area of the region A greater than 0. This is the AX. AX means what is the A value? A is equal to 1 by 2. Asking the question equal to area of this one, area of 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into X, f of 1 by 2 into X. Okay, f of X is equal to what here? This is integral of area equal to 1 by 2 X, means this is 1 by 2 into what is the X value? 1 by 2 into this is the x plus is equal to this one, f of x plus is equal to, right, this one, what is the A value? A is equal to 1 by 2 here, right, f of x is equal to here, right, e power 4a. Okay, here e power 4a, a is equal to 1 by 2, x is equal to also 1 by 2 x, and means x by 2. Okay, these 4 cancel, equal to e power x. What is the area? Area is equal to, asking the question, 0 to 2. Area of this one equal to area A is equal to 0 to 2 e power x into dx equal to area e power x integration is equal to e power x. Okay, this is 0 to 2. Okay, apply the 2 means e square minus 1. E square minus 1 is the our answer. E square minus 1 is our answer. This is option 2 is correct. Okay, understand, option 2 is correct. Okay, copy this one. Okay, question number 2. S is equal to P1, P2, P3, so on P10 is the set of the first 10 prime numbers. Let A is equal to S union P. A is equal to S union P, where P is the set of all possible product of the distinct elements of S. Then the number of all ordered pair is x comma y. S belongs to S, y belongs to A, such that x divides y is, what is the, this is the integer type question. Okay, right, what is the S value? S is equal to prime numbers P1 comma P2 comma P3 up to so on P10, up to so on P10. Okay, what is the S value? S is equal to prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, okay, 19, okay, yeah, 23, 20, 29, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 9, 10 is the prime numbers. These are all prime numbers. Okay, he asking the question equal to ordered pair. Ordered pair means this is the x comma y is the ordered pair. This is represented prime number. This is represented prime number. This is represented prime number. This is represented what is the union? S union P. Okay, prime number. Okay, S is the set of this one equal to S union P. Means what is the ordered pair here? Observe here. First, what is the S value? What is the P is equal to? P value. P is equal to set of Pi comma 35 and 237. That like only. Okay, this is the pair. Okay, you are right. Pi comma Pj comma next Pi and Pj and Pk. Okay, so on up to all numbers. Okay, how many numbers are there here? Total numbers is equal to, what are the total numbers? He asking the question equal to, what is this one equal to? Y is equal to mx. Is the y is equal to mx form. So let x is equal to 2 right here. Like x is 2 is the fixed point. 2 is the fixed. Okay, 2 is the fixed means here, right. What is the right here? Here 9c0 plus 9c1 plus up to so on plus 9c9. Okay, how many numbers are there here? Total 2 power 9. 2 power 9 is equal to what? 512. Okay, this is the 2 is the fix. 2 is the fix means here 2. Where is the 2 here? 2 is the fix. 2, 3, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 7 and 2, 3, so on, all are multiples. Next 2, 3, all are multiples. How many times are there here? 9 times. Okay, next 3 is fixed. 3 is fixed means remaining also same. 3, 5, 3, 5, 7, 3 by 7, 11. That is also 9 times. Okay, next this is the 5 and 2. How many numbers are there? Total numbers is equal to 10. Okay, similarly remaining. Similarly, x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 comma 5 comma so on up to, how many numbers are there here? 20 numbers. 20 numbers are, so same will be this one. Okay, same answer. Okay, same answer means this is the 5 and 12. This is the 5 and 12 into, how many numbers are there here? Total 10 numbers. Equal 10 into means this is 5120 is the our answer. Our answer is equal to 5120. Our answer here, right, our answer is equal to 5120. 20 is the integer type question. This is our answer. Copy this one. Okay, understand this one. Okay, this is the question number 3. Listen, question number 3. Let 2, 3 be the largest open interval in which the function f of x is equal to 2 into log e x minus 2 minus x square plus ax plus 1 is the strictly increasing. This is a strictly increasing function. This is f of x greater than 0. F of x greater than 0. And b, c is the largest open interval in which the function g of x is equal to x minus 1 whole square whole cube x minus 2 whole square is strictly decreasing. Then 100 into a plus b minus c equal to what? First option is equal to 280, second option is equal to 160, third option is equal to 420, fourth option is equal to 360. Okay, right. First, what is the f of x? What is the f of x? F of x is equal to 2 log base e x minus 2 minus x square plus ax plus 1. Okay, this is the derivative. What is the derivative? Differentiation with respect to x is equal to f dash of x is equal to log x derivative is equal to 1 by x minus 2. This is the 2 by x minus 2 minus x square is equal to 2x. Ax is equal to a constant, derivative is equal to 0. This is the strictly increasing function is greater than 0. Here, right, f dash of x is equal to 0, right? F dash of x is equal to 0. This is totally equal to 0. Means what is the interval? This one. What is the interval? This is the interval. This is the 2 to 3. This is the increasing here to here. Okay, this is the increasing here to here. What is the increasing function? This is the increasing function or decreasing function? Interval strictly increasing function means, so this is the x is equal to 3. You have take this is the x is equal to 3. This is the downside means decreasing. Okay, x is equal to 3 is the increasing function. F dash of x is equal to 0 right here. F dash of 3 right. F dash of 3 is equal to here 3 right. 2 by 3 minus 2 minus 2 into 3 6 plus a equal to 0. Okay, this is 1. 2 minus 6 is equal to minus 4 plus a equal to 0. Okay, what is the a value? A is equal to 4. Okay, you get a value. Next, what is the b and c values? Okay, next another equation, another function is g of x is equal to this one. Okay, this is also derivative. What is the another function is equal to g of x is equal to x minus 1 whole cube into x minus 2 whole square. Okay, this is the g dash of x. Find the g dash of x. G dash of x is equal to, here right, uv formula. Apply the uv formula. Here x minus 1 whole cube, same like. Next, this is the derivative equal to 2 into x minus 2 plus x minus 2 into whole square. Oh, x minus 2 whole square. Next, this is the derivative is equal to 3 into x minus 1. Okay, and minus 1 means this is the square only. Okay, right. This is the what are the common here? X minus 2 whole square. Here also x minus 2 whole square, x minus 1 whole square. Okay, x minus 1 whole square is the common here. X minus 1 whole square into here x minus 2 is the common. Means here x minus 2 whole square means here x minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 2 is the common means 2x minus 2. 2x minus 2. Next, here also x minus 2 is the common means x minus 2. Here also whole square common. This is the 2. X minus 2 means this is the 3x minus 6. 3x minus 6 equal to x minus 1 whole square into x minus 2 into is the 2x. 3x is equal to 5x minus 8. 5x minus 8. This is the increasing or decreasing function. This is the decreasing function. This is the decreasing function less than 0. This is the less than 0. Write the wavy curve method. Wavy curve. X is equal to 1. This is the 1. X is equal to 2. This is the 2. Okay, next 8 by 5. 8 by 5 is equal to what? This is the 1 only. 8 by 5 is equal to 1 point something only. This is the 5 by 8. Minus 8 by 5 means 8 by 5. This is the 8 by 5. This is 2. This is 2. Okay, write the wavy curve. This is the wavy curve. This is also power 1 only. This is also power 1 only. Okay, this is the power 2. Means this is the power 2 means this is only positive. This is also positive. This is the negative. This is also positive. I want this one equal to 8 by 5. 8 by 5 comma 2. This is the a comma b. B comma c. This is the b comma c open interval. B comma c open interval. What is the b value? B is equal to 8 by 5 and c is equal to 2. What is the b value and a value and c value? Okay, a is equal to here. A is equal to 4 and b is equal to what? B is equal to 8 by 5. 8 by 5 and c is equal to what? C is equal to 2. C is equal to asking the question. This one asking the question equal to 100 into a plus b minus c. Okay, 100 into a plus b minus c. A is equal to 4, plus b is equal to 8 by 5 minus c is equal to minus 2 okay, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 only. Okay, 100 into 2, 5 2s are 10 plus 8 by 5. Okay, 5 ones 5 20s cancel, 20 into 18 equal to 20 into 18 equal to 36. 360 is our answer. 360 is our answer. This is our answer. Okay, this is Somraj, Diamond Institute of Maths. Okay, go to my channel and check. See, you have starting onwards, you have learn total chapter, you have understand the class. Okay, this is you have understand the class means first onwards. You see the first onwards in chapter starting onwards. Next sequence and series also same like that only. Next before chapter equal quadratic equation also same like that only. Quadratic equation is equal to JEE mains problems is equal to 1 question guarantee, and sequence and series 2 questions guarantee, and functions also 1 question guarantee. Okay, learn seriously. This is very important topics. Okay, thank you for your watching.